5, 0, 1, 1, 1. What is someone learning? You can see the okay. Imagine it's a good thing you see double numbers and that was not double numbers. Because obvious, like 11 means you can make a verse. But it sounds like 222, you're like 222 means when you're in the right place at the right time. And 333 means that your wishes are coming true. I really hope I see that today, so they made a really important wish regarding Roblox. And yes, I'm a kids gameplay. I like playing kids games, okay? I started. And then I was gonna enter up here. Cause I can't type type 3 for 7 days. Continue. Can I play this still? Yeah. What do I want to do? I can't. If I say I can get this game for free, this game is left behind. Payment. You can't get this game for free. This one doesn't seem interesting. I guess we can only play this game. I need some. Okay, but I am wearing a really weird outfit. Like I have about to say from points become the cool. The person is so cool. It's okay. Now time to play. Realize just this goal because he's the only cool person. So let's make a horrible food. Tastes bad. This food looks disgusting. I don't have fun. This is gonna be horrible. Pippin. I think I make a smoothie. I always hate that in smoothie. Unseasoned noodles and rice. Put that. Let me put this in. Because then it's gonna bring because it's gonna bring this in. So I put this in. I'm not even gonna water it down. This is gonna be peeled in. This is gonna be. We're gonna have to make this. Because. Yeah, we're seasoning it. Big of a deal. I don't know if that's a bad good taste. This garlic. I feel like this. Yeah, see, there's like this. Okay, one more food. I'm best friend. I don't know if anyone else is in. We're going to deep fry something. Deep fry the bread. She's going to. I'm going to purposely have a cooker. Okay. Yeah, it looks good now. It looks like bread now. It looks like bread. Add the hot sauce. And sesame and oil. And lemon. Make it sour. And spicy. I bet that's disgusting. Okay. I feel like it's a boil something. This. Someone chicken tip. add I'm just making everything spicy because spicy is horrible. Like, I can barely deal with spice. And ketchup. Oil. Let's make this thing black. Made this thing to be black. And spicy. And sour. And mealy. This must taste horrible. I can only bet you it's gonna taste horrible. You might make it blood red. Oh my god, it looks like a bomb. It looks like a bomb. We're gonna fry something. Fry the bread. It's not cooked enough. And because it have enough seasoning. Oil. I have no idea what this is. I'm just calling you oil because I don't know the name of it. If I add up the seasonings, it'll taste horrible. And the answer now. It was like a blood red. Oh my god, this is drenched in ketchup. How do I put it over? I can't pick it up. Can I flip it? I can't. No, you can't see your food. You can't eat it yet. It's not. It's cold. You filled it too much. Just bake the mushroom. Before it's baked, you want to create some hot sauce. And oil. I know what this is supposed to be, I just don't know what it's called. Oh my god. Beautify the tentacle. Also, it has to be dense in hot sauce. Oil. It has to have oil on it. It must be the most oily food. It has to be really oily. Look at this. It has special pants in it. Food. We're gonna take it to cut. We're going to. Okay, I'm playing for the food. No. When you're eating all this. That's what I like it. How I feel.
No.
Okay. Pause me. That's it. Everything. Oh, yeah, it's hard. Focus. See if it has everything on it. We'll take it back once we're done cooking it. That was disgusting. Beats and you'll have to season it 2 times. Stop blowing it. It's gonna be hot. Can you hurry up with people? Because it's almost because they only have 4 minutes here. Do not eat this IOL. It looks disgusting. I'm gonna be uploading multiple videos today. Supposed to go eat your food. I think I killed Hole. Yes, he's alive. Yeah, I hate that too. I need your final food. I killed Hole again. I like this goal. Oh, she's gonna die. That was the second time. This is stupid. She just hates everything I saw at all. But that'll be it for this video because we're almost out of time. Let's just kill Hole first. Oh, I made her eat it. I think he'll eat. I think he'll eat the food. I need to kill her. Don't eat spaghetti. It tastes. Okay, let's make her eat. Let's make her eat stick golden. Well, that'll be it for this video. That's game's season haul. Well, I would play anything else, but I don't have the money to pay for all this. Yes, again, we have more games. Trains, cars, Mystery House, blocks, and this is the end. We are ending the video.